everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Constance, and thank you for joining me in the next episode of my English classes. We have spoken about many, the noun many and much, alright? And we say much is uncountable and many is countable. So here we are going to be looking at some uncountable, countable and uncountable nouns. We're going to be talking about countable and uncountable nouns, and we're going to be doing some exercises on these sentences that we have here. Okay? So number one says, the children fell asleep quickly after a busy day of fun. The children fell asleep quickly after a busy day of fun. So here children can be counted. Alright, so it would be a countable noun. That would be a countable noun. Be careful, the water is deep. Be careful, the water is deep. So water would be uncountable. You cannot count water. You can count containers of water, but you cannot count water. So this would be considered uncountable. Okay, that would be considered uncountable. The parade include fire trucks and police cars. The parade included fire trucks and police cars. So those are nouns which can be counted. 5 cars, 10 trucks, or 3 trucks and 5 cars. So they could be counted. So this would be a countable noun. Alright, we're at number 4 now, okay? We like the large bottles of mineral water. We like the large bottles of mineral water. So we're talking about the large bottles of mineral water. Water by itself couldn't be counted, but the bottles of water could be counted. We like the large bottles of mineral water. How many bottles of mineral water do you have, or can you sell me? Okay, I have 3 in stock. I have 10 in stock. I have 6 bottles of mineral water in stock. So the bottles could be counted, but the water by itself could not be counted. Number 5. My mother uses real butter in the cake she bakes. My mother uses real butter in the cake she bakes. Okay, in this case, it didn't say a container of cake or a specific amount of cake. It just says she uses real butter. So butter could not be counted. Alright, but if she has 2 containers of cake or 2 spoonful of butter or some form of measurement, alright, so she didn't have a specific kind of measurement that she's using, so therefore this would be considered uncountable. Butter would be considered uncountable. It cannot be counted. She didn't say 3 spoonfuls of butter or 5 spoonfuls of butter or 2 cups of butter or anything like that. But she says just real butter. Number 6, how many politicians does it take to pass a simple law? How many politicians does it take to pass a simple law? So here we could count. It is asking how many. So from the fact that you see the word many, you know it can be counted. Alright? So you can say 5 politicians, 3 politicians, 6 politicians, 12 politicians. Alright? So this is countable. Alright? 7. Most kids likes milk, but Joey hates it. Most kids like milk, but Joey hates it. So if it is most kids, we cannot count most of the kids around the world, right? No. We can only say, give a estimation, but we cannot count them. Alright, so we couldn't determine how many children like milk, but it says most kids. Alright? So they could have a survey in a room that they say they have 100 kids and 80 out of those kids like it, so you say most. So that would be a percentage of it. So in this case, it is considered uncountable. Alright, because you won't be able to make that estimation of all the kids around the world who likes milk. So most uncountable. Alright? So most kids likes milk, but Joey hates it. Joey doesn't fancy milk, alright? Now, although we have used most in this number 7, we're also going to use the word most in number 8. And look at the difference. You can analyze it for yourself, the difference of these 2 sentences. Most pottery is made of clay. Most pottery is made of clay. Most pottery. So if it says it's talking about what it is made of, so it is the clay. The clay would be considered the noun. Alright? So most pottery is made of clay. So this would be considered uncountable because you cannot count the clay. Uncountable. Most pottery is made of clay. Michael can play several different musical instruments. Michael can play several different musical instruments. So he can play the guitar, he can play the trombone, he can play the drum, he can play the piano, he can on, right? So those could be counted. So they are countable. Countable now. So because we can count them. Alright? So this is it for this class, guys. I thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Please share this video with your friends who are having difficulty with this topic area of English. and I hope you will join me in my next class. Until then, bye-bye.